Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to, go ahead and work with HTML. Okay, so like how to work with HTML, what is actually HTML, how you can write the code. So this particular video is specifically for the beginners who want to learn HTML coding. Okay, and side by side I'll be also showing you, how CSS works, how JavaScript works. Okay, so before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel to receive the latest updates on any video regarding coding, and stay tuned till the end of the video. So let's get started. So first of all, how to start with an HTML coding. Okay, so to start with an HTML coding, you have to write doc type, okay, and then HTML. Now you must be wondering what is doc type HTML. So doc type means it actually tells the browser, because HTML is a hypertext markup language. So it tells the browser that yes, you are using an HTML element over here. Okay, so basically we are using an HTML5 element. Okay, so that is why doc type HTML needs to be written at the beginning of your program when you're writing an HTML programming. Okay, now what next you should write. So for that you have to start with the HTML. Okay, now what is HTML written over here? So it is a tag inside HTML coding. So this tag denotes that you are trying to begin in HTML coding. Okay, so it denotes the beginning of your HTML code. Okay, so whatever you write, you have to write between the HTML opening and HTML closing tag. So how do you close a tag? You have to use a backslash for that, for closing an HTML tag. Okay, so whatever you have to write, your contents of your website, you have to enter inside the HTML tags itself, right? Now next comes up, suppose there is a website, you want to build a website, and then you need to add a heading for that particular website, right? So for that, how to give a heading? So you can write head. Okay, and inside head, suppose I'll take example HTML features. Okay, that is what the heading of my website. Okay, this is how you can write the heading. Okay, now next what you have to do is, next comes up, what should be there inside your website, because we are specifically talking about the website. So I gave the heading to the website. Now there should be something inside the website, right? The content of the website. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and then use the body tag. So body tag will help you to write the content about that website. Okay, so here inside my body, I'll be using some of the headers, or you can call it as headings. Okay, so for giving the heading, H1 is the highest ranked for giving the heading. Okay, so suppose inside H1 I write demo of HTML by coding made easy. Okay, this is one of my headings. So there's a difference. So this is your headline of your website, that yes, the headline is HTML features, and this is the heading inside, like below the heading it will come like demo of the HTML by coding made easy. Okay, now next comes up, what you have to give another heading. So for that, you don't have to write H1, you can directly write H2 for that, because that would be a smaller one. Okay, so these two, the head and the H1, these are the highest priority for giving a heading to a website, and then comes the H2. So you can work with H2 whenever you want to give a smaller heading. Suppose I give just basic of HTML. Okay, that's what I give. So you'll be able to see in the output how it is actually working, right? So next what you have to do is, suppose inside this particular heading I want to give some paragraph about this, like what exactly HTML is. So how to give the paragraph? So for that you have to use a p tags. So these are all tags. So inside that you have to write like suppose I write you just have to understand the elements and tags. Okay. So this is how you can write a paragraph, okay, using a p tag. Okay, next what I'll show you is how you can actually format your text, whatever text you are displaying in your website, how you can format it. So for that, suppose I take again a heading, okay, that is h2, and I'll write like text formatting. Okay, so I write text formatting. So inside that we take a p tag again, okay, and inside you have to write, you have to use the strong tag. These are all tags, okay, so strong tag, and then suppose you want to write a bold text, you can write bold text, okay, and suppose you also want to write the italic text as well. So for that you have to use the em tag, that is for italic. So if you see over here, if you write em, it shows under tag, right? So em tag for that, and you can write under this italic text. Okay, so this is how you do the formatting of a particular text. So this strong is used for a bold text, that tag is used for a bold text, and em is used for a italic text. And don't forget to close your tag. So how to close your tag? You have to just use a backslash and then p tag. If you're using, then p, you have to write small p. Okay, now next comes up, now that we have seen how to define the heading of a particular website, how to write paragraphs inside your website, how you can do formatting in your website, the next comes up how to add links to your website. Suppose you have a website, you have some text in that, and you now want to add some links to it. Okay, so how to add links to that? So for that, what you have to do, just open a tag. Okay, it's just a basic to show you. So I'll just open a head to, and then I'll write links. Okay, suppose I write links. Fine. And then inside that I'll just write the p tag, and I'll write, suppose visit, because I want my users to visit. So visit, okay, and then open a tag. So for adding a link to a website, you have to write the href. Now what is href? It is an attribute. Okay, so whenever you're adding a image to your website, a links to a website, so all those comes under attribute. Okay, so there are elements, there are tags, there are attributes inside the HTML coding. Okay, so once you write href, now what you have to do is you just have to paste, suppose this is the YouTube link for my my channel. So here I just write coding made easy. Okay, I read this. So that's it. So how it's working, let's see. So now we'll see how does it work. Okay, so in order to run this particular code, I am using the whole code inside one compiler. You can also use, it's an open source. Okay, if you Google out one compiler, you'll get this. Okay, it's a easy editor. Why it is easy? Because you can write your HTML code right here, and then you can get to see the HTML, these CSS, the style is CSS about this, and then the JavaScript as well. Okay, so you can do the editing right over here, you can do the editing right over here for the CSS. Okay, so right now we are only working with the HTML. So now let's see how this whole thing looks like. Okay, so what you have to do, go on the right hand side and then click on run. So this is specifically if you're working on onecompiler.com. Okay, click on run, and then let's see the output. So now if you see over here, it says the first the HTML features that comes. Then I have given the heading of my website. The heading is demo of HTML by Coding Made Easy. So this is the demo of HTML by Coding Made Easy. It will display like this. Okay, and then the second header 2, that is basics of HTML, and there is a paragraph and how to text perform a text formatting inside the HTML. So this is how it will look like the bold will look like this, italic will look like this, and then the links, okay, links and then visit, and this is how it works. Now if you want to see it exactly in your browser how it works, so what you have to do, click on this. Now again, it's for only onecompiler.com. if you're using, you can do the same thing if you're using the Visual Code Studio, or if you're using a Sublime Text, you can do the same thing. You just have to run it and then you can see it on your browser. So for one compiler, what I can do, I just click on download. Once I click on download, so this is my file, I just open it. So here it is. This is how it will look on the website. So here, this is my title of the website. I have a a smaller title like a heading for my website, and then how to write a paragraph in your website. This is how you can write it, and this is how you can format your text. Like bold, for bold text you have to use this, and italic text you have to use the EM tag, right? And next, adding the links. So this is the way how I added links. So if you click on this particular, it will open up to the YouTube channel of mine. Okay, so this is how you can go ahead and start coding yourself with your HTML and build your own website altogether. Okay, so it was a basic like how to add elements, how to add tags, how to add links. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the like button, and please do comment like what next you want to learn about the HTML coding. So we will be coming up again with the HTML, like how to add images to it, how to add a scrolling bar to our website, how to add like a copyright to our website. All those things I'll be teaching you. Okay, so starting from very basic to advanced level. So stay tuned, okay, for upcoming videos, and don't forget to subscribe. So hope you like this particular video. We'll meet up on our next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.